Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Jazzy here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a few tips on how to construct a 613 wig. And it's super simple, especially if you've made a unit before. You'll find that this method is the same as making any other unit. I just wanted to come on here and share a few key things you want to swap out when you're making a blonde unit. To construct this wig, you're gonna need a spandex style dome cap, bundles, and the bundles that I'll be using were sent to me from NA Beauty Top Quality Human Hair, and I'll make sure to leave all their links in the description box so that way you guys can check them out, and they have really affordable prices and good quality 613 hair. I also like that these bundles come with care instructions so that way you can properly maintain the hair and you can get the most bang for your buck. You'll also need a closure or a frontal. You're also going to need some wig pins. I like to start off by sewing the closure down first, and I like to align the hairline of the closure with the edge of the wig cap and not the edge of the lace. When I use my wig pins to secure down the closure, I find that it makes it a lot easier when I sew it down, and it reassures the closure will lay flat. You're also going to need white thread, and this is the most important part when making a 613 unit. If you're using black thread, you guys, it can look so unnatural, and sometimes it can be really inconveniencing because you'll always be cutting the black thread. When I'm getting closer to the end of sewing the closure down, I like to do a few back stitches, which ensures that the closure won't lift or move. And you can do this method by simply placing the thread around the needle once you went through the cap first. And this will create a knot for you. And for extra security, I cut the thread and I make a single knot with both ends of the thread. I used 2 bundles to create this wig, and making a 613 wig is very simple. It's just super important that you pay attention to details because unlike dark hair, you can see the black thread and the wig cap. When I'm making my 613 unit, I find that adding a weft right on the edge of the cap helps hide the black cap color, so it gives the illusion that it's more natural. Plus, it adds hair to the perimeter, which will later allow you to create baby hairs and trick people to think that it's a frontal and not a closure. Now, depending on your preference, you can sew the wefts down following the dome shape in like a cul-de-sac form, or you can sew them down going directly across ear to ear like a traditional sew-in. Personally, I like to do a little bit of both when I'm constructing my wigs, and I'll leave the video in the card section right now if you're interested to see how to make a wig step-by-step, beginner-friendly. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Now the only thing that I would add to the tips that I gave in the video, you guys, is when you're making this wig and you've completed the wig, you're ready to wear the wig, make sure before you apply the wig that you have no makeup on, you guys, because when I went to finesse my baby hairs and I had my beat face on, okay, my blonde baby hairs quickly turned from blonde to brown, okay? So that's the only thing that I would do differently. differently that I would add to the tips. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And the reason I didn't go ahead and wash the wig so that the baby hairs wouldn't be orange is because I plan on coloring this wig after I film this video. So the wig will be a different color. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that video, and I'll upload that pretty soon. So keep your eyes on the lookout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't be afraid to try 613 units, and I hope this video helps you a little bit if you are buying bundles and trying to create your own unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.